We'll guide you through how to transfer photos from a laptop to a USB drive or a pen drive. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really convenient to do because you can then go and have a copy of them on there. Perhaps you want to go and just store them on there as a backup, or you want to go and do this, you can then plug it into another device, a phone or computer, and go and transfer them onto it. It doesn't matter, we're going to guide you through how this can be done. First of all, go and grab your USB drive or pen drive and plug it in to your laptop. On the sides, there should be USB ports and you can go and plug it into one of them. After you've done that, what we then need to do is go and open up File Explorer, so you can go and open it up at the bottom. This will open up and you want to go over to the left. Usually you need to go and scroll down, but it may be up and you want to find this PC. You can then see the device and drives on your computer. Identify your USB or pen drive. It may go and have a specific name. Otherwise, you can just go and look at the storage here. You can see this is 7.55 gigabytes, which is the storage of my USB. I know that. You can also go and double click on it and I can see some files I go and recognize here. Now, what we're going to do is go and right click in some blank space, hover over new, and we'll go and press folder. Name this what you want. I'll name it photos, as you can see, and double click on it. Now click and hold and you can drag this over just like so. Come to a taskbar, right click on your File Explorer and just press File Explorer. Now what you can do is you can go and find your photos. I know that on my desktop in my images folder, so I'll double click on it. Now I want to go and select these, so I'll click, hold and drag, or I could hold Control and select the ones I want, have them selected anyway, and you can then go and drag them over and go and copy them. Be patient while this completes. Then if you want to go and keep them on your computer here, you could, or you can go and select them and press the delete key, or you can keep them, it's up to you. When you're finished, return to this PC and you can right click on it and you can eject it. That's it, it's now safe to remove.